Hey, what is up guys? Jason here, and today we're back with a new Rocket League video. And I've been really playing Rocket League for a lot these couple days, so why not do a video? And so I'm Challenger Elite still. I ran into this guy, which I traded with him, and he gave me the Octane ZSR for like against the Dominus GT, which is good. Let me take this car. He gave me the Spiralis for other cheap wheels I had, and he also gave me other wheels, white colored, that are worth a good amount. So I was really happy, and that guy was really nice. I put the Octane ZSR with white pulses for blue team. Got that? That's followed up. Nope. Okay. Let's just get the boost. Mess these people up. What's happening? It was a fake. Sorry. Bad. Ooh, that was close. Can someone get that up in the air? It was perfect center. No, not perfect. That done better. No, I'm sorry. That was really way too powerful. But at least it made a no kicking for my friends. Okay, I got his boost perfect. I blocked him. Be careful, be careful. Don't. Ooh, nice save, man. Nice save. Oof, I'd have no boost. Okay, we got that out of there. Oh, almost the air dribble. And finish the goal. Oh, beautiful. Save that replay just for that. Nice shot. That was a great. I'm just gonna say to myself, great pass. No, that was beautiful. I did like an air dribble ting. Ting. Okay, let's go for this. I like it. Maybe the ZSR is my car actually, even if it's pretty much the same as the Octane. In the mind. Seriously, how did you not get that? That's in. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Just popped it in. There's like a hole there, and I right in. Perfect. Okay. Now let's go for kickoff. I'll go. Maybe I should do a different kickoff, like a fast kickoff. Some sort of that thing. Oh, I should have gone earlier for that. Redirect would have been epic. I'm sorry, I totally messed your thing up. But it's all for the best. Calculated. That guy's really good. Water is great. Yeah, I got an assist on that. Get that, man. Or one of the two. Oh, we got that. Can someone do like a really long ball? I'd appreciate. It's fine. Just be in goal. That kind of scared me, I gotta say. Is that in? Yes, that's in. Oh, beautiful pass. That was good. That was like a yeah, that was a redirect. I can actually say I got. Yeah, it wasn't the best of redirects, but Still a good one. And it went in the goal. That's all that matters. No, they're not playing anymore? Okay. They're not playing anymore. I'll just cut to the end if they're not gonna play anymore. If they are, I won't cut it, but... Okay, then they forfeit. Perfect. Oh, I'm number 1 in the team. And we don't get the going up. I'm gonna save that replay though, that was a good game. There's not enough space. What? I saved that replay. Hey guys, it turns out there's not gonna be a second game in this video. Just because I'm saving the game I played right after and a couple more. Just for future videos because you'll see in the next video anyway. It was really fun, and yeah. So anyway, this video was a little short, but the next ones will be longer and more fun. So you know what to do. Bye.